Listeners, barkanmu da warhaka. Our topic for today is darasinmu na yau shine sound, sautin tsa a Hausa. Tsa, tsa, tse, tse, tsi, tsi, tso, tso, tsu, tsu, tsai, tsai, tsau, tsau. Here are word examples. Ga misalai na kalmomi. Tsafta, cleanliness. Tsafta, tsafta. Tsaba, seed. Tsaba, tsaba. Tsada, costliness. Tsada, tsada. Tsafi, magic. Tsafi, tsafi. Tsaga, crack or slit. Tsaga, tsaga. Tsaraba, souvenir. Tsaraba, tsaraba. Tsakiya, middle, center. Tsakiya, tsakiya. Tsakuwa, small stand. Tsakuwa, tsakuwa. Tsallaka, cross, go from one side to another. Tsallaka, tsallaka. Tsalle, jump. Tsalle, tsalle. Tsami, sour taste. Tsami, tsami. Tsamiya, tamarind tree or its fruit. Tsamiya, tsamiya. Tsinke, pluck, break off. Tsinke, tsinke. Tsani, ladder. Tsani, tsani. Tsanya, a small cricket. Tsanya, tsanya. Tsokana, tease or provoke someone. Tsokana, tsokana. Well, listeners, the effort is brought to you by Phenomenal Success Academy. Plus 234-818266-9099. That's our WhatsApp number. Love you. Bye for now.